Hello guys, so in this short video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram or restrict certain activity problem easily and fast. All what you wanna do guys is open your Instagram, go to the edit profile option, and then you have to change all the informations of your profile from the name, username, the profile photo and the bio. And also if you have any link you have to remove it on your bio. Click confirm and then go back. Go to the top corner, click on those three lines, click on the settings, and then click on this help option. Click on report a problem and choose the second one right here as you can see. Now here on this page, all what you wanna do is send a screenshot of the problem from here by clicking on take a screenshot. Or if you have already the photo of the problem, click on gallery and send it into the Instagram support team and they will help you in a few hours. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the end.